Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 6, Algebraic Expressions. So before starting this chapter, let me give a brief introduction. Okay, so there are two types of symbols in algebra, namely constants and variables. Okay, so now let us learn what are constants. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Okay, and then variables, a symbol which takes various numerical values in various situations is called a variable. Now let us understand this constant and variables with the help of an example. Okay, so let us take an example. Say let us take an example of perimeter of a square. Okay? Perimeter of a square. So the formula for perimeter of square is 4 into side, right? So let us denote the side by s. So here this number 4, okay, this number is called constant, okay, and this s is called variable. So basically the numerical value, that means the number, that is called constant, and the alphabet, so here it is s. It can be any alphabet, a b c d up to z. Okay, so those alphabets, they are known as variables. Okay, we can take one more example, say perimeter of rectangle. So the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, this L is length and B is breadth. So here also the number 2, this is constant, and this L and B, they are variables. Okay, so I hope it is clear what are constant and variables. So when we'll do the exercise, we'll understand more better. Okay, so next we'll learn about exponential form of algebraic quantities. Exponential form of algebraic quantities. So in the previous chapter we have learned about exponents, right? How to write in exponential form the numbers. We have learned, like for example 2 is repeated like this, 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 is repeated 4 times, so we write this in exponential form as 2 to the power 4, right? So here also we will write in exponential form, but here we will write the variables. Okay, for example say x into x into x into x. This x is multiplied n times, okay, n number of times. So how to write in exponential form? Since here x is multiplied n number of times, so we write this in exponential form as x to the power n. Okay, for example say a into a. So here a is repeated 2 times, so in exponential form we'll write a square. Okay, similarly we can write say b into b into b. So here b is repeated 5 times, so in exponential form we'll write b to the power 5. Okay, so these are some examples of exponential form of algebraic quantities.